Hey, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody is well, staying safe, healthy, and being productive even though you may be home during the shelter in place, quarantine, as we deal with this virus that is plaguing the nation. So I'm hoping that everyone is steadily, progressively moving forward with whatever you can do while you're at home. But today we're going to go over a small version of my clear skin hydration facial. Hydration is a very serious thing. It happens in all Fitzpatrick skin types from 1 through 6. It is not a skin type, it is a condition. So dehydration can happen at all points. We're in Chicago, it gets dry. The air is very brittle at some times. And then comes the summertime where we get a lot of moisture and a lot of humidity. So we kind of get evened out at that point. But we're gonna go through how to hydrate the skin, which is very important for you guys, all right? We're gonna do step 1, which is gonna be a pre-cleanse. We're gonna pre-cleanse with just a little hydrophoric clean. I mentioned before, it is a liquid exfoliant. It pushes debris, it pushes dirt off of the skin. It also helps open up the pores, making anything that you're going to put on the skin, therefore after, more permeable so it can penetrate. So it has plenty of benefits, product production, product penetration, and as well as exfoliating. Next step, we're going to take a humectant sponge. As I've showed you guys, I give these away. I think I may have talked about the facial brush, but I also give these away with all facials that I do. I'm going to put a little steam on this. It has glycerin in it that helps hydrate the skin as well. It also is very porous, so it is better than using a face towel. A face towel will just rub the dirt or debris off the face. When a sponge is porous, grab more surface oil or anything that is on skin. This is all our pre-cleanse. You can even rub that over the beard, getting in the neck area. Always around that nasal labial fold where you're subject to get blackheads, whiteheads, that dryness sets in, going over the eyebrows. Very simple. So this also does more than just cleanse. It is also moisturizing the skin at the same time because it has glycerin in it. So it is a double duty. As you see, I have a little debris right there. Just got through cutting my hair, so most of this is hair, but it was time for me to get a facial too. Next step, one of my favorites, rose water and glycerin. We're going to put a little mist, skin toner on the skin. This always helps kind of regulate the skin, give you a nice pH balance, as well as hydrating. As I said, your skin is now more permeable, so these things can go in to help the dermis, where you have collagen that needs some synthesizing at some times to help pump this. Detoxifying facial foam. It is a detoxifier because it has activated charcoal, which helps remove toxins off of the surface. So we're just gonna take a couple of pumps. As you see, I got the steam already rolling. Just a little bit in the hands or so. I'm gonna rub it across the forehead. I always try to avoid the eyes, the mouth. You wanna work it in. You'll feel that cool, minty feel. You can come across the beard in it. If you missed that beard wash, go back, check that beard wash out. For the guys that want to stay nice and fresh on the beard side, that's a very helpful tip for you guys. I gave you a nice set of tips in there. So we work that in right there just like that. And then I got another step. Steam rolls. We got our gentle scrub brush. Cleanse the face really well. As I said, you want to avoid those eyes. Point here to exfoliate. Stimulate the skin. Help out with capillary diffusion. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in the entire body. Once they start to get diffused from manipulations, you start to have the skin get detoxified as well from the lymph system, as well under the skin. All of this helps with brightening and lightening the skin. Next, we're gonna take a hot towel. We're gonna take that hot towel, come across the forehead. You have to fold it again in half. Come across the forehead. Nice and warm. Bring it down. Hold it on that beard area. Bring it in the front as well. Let it sit. Catch a little of that steam. You can follow up with that a couple of times to make sure that you get all of the facial foam off of the face, from around the eye, out of that nasal labial follow area. If you like to, after that, sit under the steamer, really let it roll, get that heat, get the stimulation going, that rejuvenation from the exfoliation, helping this cell turnover rate so that you can lighten, brighten. When we talk about dehydration, there are a number of factors that cause dehydration. You got pollution, you got other environmental conditions, you got lack of water, you got high content of sugar in a lot of sports drinks, even sodas. All of this causes dehydration. So what we like to do is add moisture to the skin, helping that product penetrate and reach down so that it can affect the collagen and elastin so that you can start to have moisture. The moisture is going to be held down in the dermis, which is where you have collagen. The collagen is moisture binding fatty tissues. So this is what gives the skin its plumpness and its moisture. So we really want to help penetrate to reach into the dermis. Epidermis is on the top. It's superficial. It's just the top layer. It's as thin as 3 sheets of paper at the most. So we're really trying to get down to the dermis that is below the epidermis. Next step is a bonus. It's something that you only gonna get if you come in the studio with me. I have a new product. It's a Lucent Power Pad. It's a skin brightener. It's really a excellent product. Cosmeceutical grade with a number of benefits. So that Power Pad comes already moistened. It's a skin brightener. It's a number of very good ingredients in there. I'll put them in the description. But it's gentle enough to use daily. Helps with hyperpigmentation. Anybody that has any type of dark spots, even in the skin tone, if you get that darkness around your eyes, where your malar bags are puffy and they cause that darkness because the blood vessels have started to have some damage, these Loosen Power Pads are excellent. I will have them available in the studio when we get back. But this is a bonus in this at-home. At this point, the skin has dried down from the Loosen Power Pads. Next, I'm opening up the pack of wedge sponges. These are not makeup applicators. This is a different type of sponge. It will help easily spread the product. Next step is a high-end serum, cosmeceutical grade. This is not store-bought. This is not L'Oreal. This is not Neutrogena. This is a high-end cosmeceutical grade. You can only get it from professionals. I have it for sale. I do not list it on the website. However, this is something that comes along in the kit for the classes when anyone is taking any of the classes that are for facials and developing business and everything. I am definitely offering you this in the class. So I have my serum on my sponge, and I will start right at the forehead and come down, move over, thin layer. Doesn't need to be a lot at all, because after this we want the serum to dry down. Make sure you cover all areas. This serum is definitely heavy in weight as far as moisture and moisture binding. It is 1,000 times the weight of water. For all you professionals, you know exactly what serum I'm using. For those that want to get some more information about it, just let me know. So now, as I have the serum on, I'm gonna let it dry down. I may even promote it to move a little faster with a blow dryer. I can put it on a cool setting, dry down, and then I move to my. As you see, it has dried down. Face is glowing, non-greasy, radiant, moisturized. I just got one more thing I like to do always. Finish with a few mists. Let that dry down naturally. And then I can go ahead, be ready for the day. That facial actually only takes just a few minutes. When you're at home, it doesn't take long at all. I may have taken just a little bit longer, just giving a demonstration, but that's something that you can do on a daily basis. I would say maybe about 7 minutes. If you come in the shop, if I'm giving you a facial and you're sitting and you're getting the service, you're gonna get much more than that. I can't give you all of my industry tips. However, if you're sitting in the chair, it's gonna probably be at least 30 to 40 minutes. You'll have a few other steps. You'll get a few other things that will definitely be moisture binding, but you will walk out with a very similar look, if not even better. So any questions, any DMs, anybody want to know any other information about how to maintain and keep your skin fresh, clean? This is the Clear Skin Hydration Facial. I hope you guys benefited from it. Have a good one.